a man does not have to be incredibly wealthy in order for him to position himself as a high valuable male. A man simply has to understand that he is on a mission to fulfill his personal legend, and there was nothing that will stop him from fulfilling it. And he is looking to qualify a woman to come into his life while he unshakably is on his quest to fulfill his personal legend. And he can be nice, and he can be cool, and he can be exciting, and he can be all, he can love her, right? It's okay. It's all good. He doesn't have to be an asshole. But to never forget that your greatest source of intimacy is yourself. And to never forget that your greatest source of fulfillment comes from yourself. And to never forget that the greatest source of life experience, you created yourself. And that you can share it with a woman. If a woman deserves it. Because she genuinely respects you. She genuinely loves you. She genuinely serves you. She genuinely brings something to the relationship. Sex is the easiest thing to bring into the relationship. And that's the majority of what women offer nowadays. They just offer sex, and that's it. And the problem is that men value themselves so little that they literally are willing to just have sex. And so now you have a whole fucking society of fucking losers, beta males, men that just are willing to comply for sex in order for them to be with a girl. That they end up settling for a girl that is not actually that